Dear children, today we have to learn in Standard 9 Subject Social Science chapter number 20. The name of the chapter is Disaster Management. Now, dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture we have already learned about the rats. Rats, it means bulldozer. In this, we have to learn that this problem is faced by many countries in the world. What happened that dear children, this kind of the problem was faced at the world level. Many countries are facing. If we examine the general characteristic of any rat, then it is noticed that most of the person are not aware of its root cause or the purpose of the rats. After also, dear children, we have learned that what to do and what not to do during the rats. First of all, what to do? Prevent talk which spread the rumors and violence. It means we have to stop the violence as well as the rumors. After, form one peace committee in our residential area. Next, perform our civil duty to help the other persons. Now, what not to do? It means do not instrumental in spreading the rumors. It means you will not spread the rumors. Do not violate the any instruction declared by the authority to maintain the law and order. After, dear children, we have to learn in the previous lecture only the first paragraph of the traffic problems that we have seen the vehicle in plane and space, speed and very close to each other on the road of the large city, and this is called as a traffic jam. When the means of the transport come to hold on the road, the traffic problems was occurred. Such a situation occur frequently on the busy road of the larger city. Now, dear children, today we continue from the second paragraph of the traffic problems. Now, dear children, today we will learn about the traffic problems. So, open the page number 153 from your textbook. Growing urbanization has created the traffic jam problem in almost all large cities in the region. You know very well that growing the urbanization, because of this, what happened? Day by day, the traffic jam problem faced by the people into the large cities. Just to take the example of Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta. These all are the bigger cities where people are facing the more problem of the traffic. So here I am written that growing the urbanization has created the traffic jam problem in almost all the large cities. There is a long queue of the vehicle. Traffic, whatever, there is a long queue of the traffic. When those vehicles which undertake the relief and rescue operation are started over the road, the people lose their life. What happens that sometimes those vehicles which undertake the relief and rescue operation are stranded over the road, people lose their life. Example, standing of 180 ambulance, increase in traffic, negligence of the driver, and due to the ignorance of the understanding the sign and the symbol put along the road, cause the many accidents every year, and the many people lost their life. What they have to say, they have to say that in every year, if you have to see, that many accidents are occurring, and due to that, many people lost their life. And because of that, you have to say that the incident sometimes appear in the newspaper frequently about the accident that caused by the minor driving a vehicle. Also, if you have to see, the death rate in India is very high due to the accident on road. Like what they are saying that you have to see the death rate in India is very high due to the accident on the road. Sometimes a victim of an accident may become invalid permanently. What happens that sometimes the people who are victim of the accident was become the handicapped and invalid permanently. Also, sometimes dear children, we have to read newspaper, we have to watch in television. Also, that incident appeared in newspaper frequently about the accident, and this accident was caused by the mind driving a vehicle on the highway. A big disaster are caused due to the heavy vehicular traffic and uncontrolled speedy vehicles. What happened that dear children, they have to say that sometimes the heavy speed is also the responsible. Sometimes children are driving the vehicles. This is also the responsible for the accident. Accident occurring in unmanned railway crossing are the result of undue as for ignoring the instructions from there. And sometimes whatever the people are ignoring, whatever the instructions are given. Heavy traffic cause loss of the time as well as the fuel. Underline what they are saying that children, they are saying that sometimes the heavy traffic causes the loss of the time as well as the fuel of the vehicles. Same they are also saying that if timely effective steps are not taken, advanced planning for the traffic management and dedication to observe them are not implemented, then it is going to create the risk of life in the days to follow the without any doubt. Now, dear children, they have to given that what to do and what not to do during the traffic. First of all, they have to given that what to do during the traffic program. First, develop the suburban township. What they are saying that dear children, they are saying that develop suburban township near the larger city and connect them effectively by facilitating the public transport system. So, dear children, we have to say that first of all, we have to develop the public transportation system through the advanced technology. And second thing also that we have to develop the near the larger cities suburban township. After second thing, even that separate the track should be prepared for the pedestrian and cyclist. What they are saying that dear children, they have to say that you have to prepare separate track for the pedestrian as well as the cyclist. Enlargement on the road must be removed. What they are saying that dear children, they have to say that enlargement यानी कि जो भी रास्ते उसके अंदर जो भी दबान किया हुआ है, enlargement of the road must be the removed. Vehicle going at very low speed or the vehicle pulled by men or by anyone should be made during the peak hours. Information regarding the traffic rule should be conveyed to the citizen through the educational advertisement and the public awareness program. What they are saying to the children, they have to say that the information regarding the traffic rules should be conveyed to the public through the different advertisement. People going for their job or the business at the same place during same time should arrange for the carpool instead of going by individual separate vehicle. What they are saying that dear children, we have to use the carpool. If any individual going for the job at the same place at the same time, that time we have to using a carpool. We cannot use the separate vehicles. After dragging and repairing work along the road should be completely immediately. Underlining what they are saying that any kind of the work is going on for the dragging or repairing work, then it is complete the very immediately. A tradition should be developed to take out the process, marriage process, should be any religious process of the function is there during the late period hour instead of peak hour of the vehicular traffic. At the time of the traffic, keep your vehicle into the proper lane. What they will say that the children, they will say that at the time of the traffic jam, we have to keep our vehicle into the proper lane. In the infrastructure, if you have to say that express highway, overbridge, flyover, ring road, bypass road should be in the development. What they are saying that if you have to say about the infrastructure that time in the road, we have to express highway, overbridge, flyover, ring road, bypass road should be the development. Every person going for the job should invariably use the public transport at least once a week. Next, use a seat belt while driving a car. What they are saying there? They are saying that you use the seat belt while you are driving a car. Provisions of heavy penalty should be made for the driver who are drunk, who do not have the driving license, and who drive recklessly for those who violate the traffic rules. Next, dear children, they will given that what not to do during the traffic problems during the travel. Do not violate the traffic rules. What they are saying that, dear children, they have to say that we cannot violate, do not violate the any traffic rules. Next, they are saying that very old vehicles should not be the used. What they are saying that they are saying that very old vehicles should not be the used. Transportation of goods should not be carried out except for the night time and the early morning. Do not deface the instruction on the board, sign, symbols on the road. These are means for the vehicle drivers. Do not alter the designs of the vehicles. Do not use cell phone while driving. This is the most important thing. What they are saying that here, while you are driving any vehicle, then you cannot talk into the mobile. Do not drive a vehicle without putting on the seat belt or the helmet. It means we have to drive the vehicle by using the seat belt as well as the helmet. A wayfarer crossing rail on the road should not use the earphone or the cell phone while we are driving. Do not enter into the argument with the person who controls the traffic regarding their instruction. It means we have to cope up, we have to cooperate with the traffic police. Guardians should not allow their minor children to drive the vehicle. It is the prohibited by the law. It means they are saying that children are not drive the vehicles. Do not join a mob due to your inexperience of the offset of the relief or any kind of the safety work at the place of an accident. So, dear children, today we have to learn about the traffic problem, what to do and what not to do. Thank you, dear children.